Hi viewers, Amarnath from Small Stocks Trader channel. So I will start with the Nifty analysis. So today Nifty minus 144 point ended with 19,381. High is 19,537 and low is 19,296. Only 11 stock closed positively. Rest of the 39 stock ended with negatively. So the positive top gainers are Adani Enterprises 2.48%, Adani Port 2.04%, Eicher Motor 1.51%, Division 0.88%, Hindalco 0.59%. Top losers are Titan minus 2.39%, ONGC minus 2.36%, Bajaj Finserv minus 2.35%, ICICI Bank minus 2.07%, Nestle minus 1.39%. Sorry, 93%. So the biggest negative contributor, ICICI Bank 32 points negative contribution, HDFC minus 13 point negative contribution, TCS minus 10 point negative contribution. So positive contribution is very negligible positive contribution. The highest contribution we can say is just 5.77%, and Adani 4.28 points, and Adani Ports 2.96 points. So ended with minus 144 points negatively. So the biggest negative contributor, the which sector? It is the financial services, because it has a more than 30% weightage in the Nifty index. So this is the biggest contributor. So it acts as a bear today. If you see the chart, at the beginning a small gap down, but immediately it recovered the gap. Then it was a flat for a moment. Then it was a gradual downside movement until 11 o'clock. It's not a much downfall, but after 11 o'clock there was a huge, tremendous down till 19,300. So 19,300. If you see from the top, it was a minus 230 point actually. But similar to yesterday, after 2 o'clock, there was a 100 points recovery. If this 100 point doesn't give the recovery, the Nifty would have closed more than 200 point negative. But because of this 100 point recovery, at the end it ended with minus 144 points. Right side, a day chart. So yesterday we clearly told that yesterday it broke the first level support, but the closure came above the support, just above the support. But today it very well closed below the support, so it penetrated the support. So it clearly indicated that the short term negative trend. So unless it doesn't break 18,750, it may be short term negative trend. If in case it breaks further, it would be big downtrend starts. So indicator also showing the same thing, both plus and minus DMI well above 20 line, and it contacting each other. If it penetrates the minus DMI, crosses the plus DMI, the fall may be further continuous until 18,750. There are a lot of possibilities. We will see the Nifty. So Nifty ended with minus 482 points, ended at 44,511. Sorry, 44,513. The high is 45,038 points and low is 44,279 points. Only 2 stocks positively contributed, and the rest of the 10 stocks in the negatively closed. So the 2 stock positively closed is Bandhan Bank 0.49% and AU Bank 0.32%. The top losers are ICICI Bank minus 2.07%, State Bank minus 1.20%, IndusInd Bank minus 1.20%, Axis Bank minus 0.71%, Bank Baroda minus 0.69%. So the biggest negative contributor is ICICI Bank, minus 224 points, minus 5% the stock fell today. So this itself more than 50% of negative contribution, this single stock. The next biggest negative contributor is HDFC Bank minus 62 points and then State Bank minus 52 points. So all the major stocks are usually contributed negatively. Only AU Bank 3.62 points positively and Bandhan Bank 2.72% point positively. See the chart, it almost very much similar to Nifty. There was a small gap down, then it quickly recovered the gap. Then there was a gradually small fall actually, but after 11 o'clock, it's abruptly fell. At one point, it came down to 44,279. So from the high at that stage, it is minus 750 point negative. But similar to yesterday and similar to Nifty today, after 2 o'clock, there was a recovery of 300 points. If this 300 point recovery doesn't come, it may close more than 700 point negatively. Because of this 300 point recovery, Bank Nifty ended with minus 482 points. If you see the day chart, it's similar to Nifty. It broke the first level support. The next level support is at 44,000. So the difference is almost just in 600 points. You can see. For Bank Nifty concern, it is not a big thing. Even a day, it may touch the second level support. If you see the indicator, the minus DMA penetrated the positive DMA from down to upside. So it clearly indicates that the short-term trend is in the downside. You see the market whole view, Eagles view. So excluded large cap, the mid cap and small 400 index, that is ended positively at 8.50 points. So it giving small hope actually. But if you see the total market index, Nifty total market index, 1 to 750 stock which covers. So that also very much similar to Nifty because it includes large cap, mid cap, small cap and micro cap. So that index closes minus 44 point. So it also closed at high and low channel of EME. So until it doesn't breaks, we have small hope here. Otherwise, the fall may continue. It may touch the second level support of 18,800. FIAD data. So today, the FIR net seller of 370 crores. DIA 1729 crores net buyer. If they didn't buy this amount, the fall would be very huge today. Because of their huge buying, somewhat it was restricted. For this month, the FIA net selling of 2,288 crores and day net buyer of 2,762 crores. So this is the month wise previous month data for your references. The big brother Dow Jones and S&P, what it says. Yesterday, the Dow Jones close to 1% down, minus 348 points, ended with 35,282. Yesterday, this candle was not there. I said it is in the upside moment only. But this candle now it is giving a doubt. Say now it is forming a zone. If this break, if today the years closes negatively, there are chances it may further come down. So the next level support is this level, 34,400. So whenever this market comes down to 34,400, in our market Nifty may go until 18,800. So that's a similarity. If you see the indicator again the minus DMA getting closer to 20 line and plus DMA losing its momentum is coming towards downside. So this is we have to watch what the broad market index S&P 500 says. So it also in the sideways zone we can see. Till yesterday it was in the momentum, but because of this big fall, now it giving a question mark plus. So minus 1.38% it has down. ended with 4,513. So both the plus and minus DMI contradicting to each other, So this maybe leads to again further downfall. So the next level support we can see this zone 4,400. So this is all about US market. So with this we close this video. We will see in the next video. So this video is for learning purpose. So don't take any trading or investment decision based on this video. Always do your own study and analysis and take your own decision with the guidance of your SEBI registered advisor. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.